wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best faux ivy privacy fences. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. At 120 inches long, a 42-inch high roll of Easy Ivy Dramatic Danica can transform most types of fencing into a more pleasing wall of green. It installs in minutes and has leaves on both sides for an authentic look. It won't be damaged by sunlight and comes in an attractive and natural color, but its coverage is not consistent. At number 6. The thick weave backing on the windscreen for less faux leaf allows it to not only block any unwanted view, but also act as a windscreen, reducing the chilly breezes blowing across your patio, deck or porch. It's offered in a variety of sizes and made of tear-resistant polyester. However, it does look artificial. Coming in at number 5 on our list. The Best Choice product screen can be installed over any existing fence in seconds using wire, zip ties or twine. You'll find several sizes to select from, each of which is made from a fade-resistant polyester. It's lightweight and movable and relatively affordable, but the rolls do have some bare patches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Faux Ivy Privacy Fences, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the 24 individual strands of artificial foliage you get with an order of Unilove Charisma, each measure 6.5 feet long, providing you with more than 150 feet of material overall. That should be more than enough to weave through existing enclosures. It's flexible and durable and can be used indoors or out. However, it does emit a strong chemical smell at first. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, if you have an oddly shaped area, the Uland DIY come in 20 by 20 inch squares that can be cut to suit any size of project. They're sold in packs of 12 with snaps for connecting them and cable ties too. At number 2, the colourtree expandable stands 4 feet high, but the height and width vary according to how much you stretch it, which will also adjust the privacy level you get. You can opt for either single or double-sided, depending upon the thickness you require. It has a realistic color and collapses for easy storage. The frame is made from real willow. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Tang Sunshades Depot Decoration Panel uses a thick mesh screen as its backing. This helps to prevent anyone from prying the leaves apart to look through. The material is UV resistant and no maintenance is required. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Faux Ivy Privacy Fences, or simply click beneath this video.